Welcome back to the channel. If you're on the hunt for a compact yet powerful camera that captures stunning shots on the go, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best point and shoot cameras of 2024. Whether you're a travel enthusiast, vlogger, or just someone who loves snapping high-quality photos without the bulk of a DSLR, these cameras will impress you. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals on these cameras. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let us know in the comments which camera caught your eye. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Ricoh GR3. This little powerhouse is perfect for street photography enthusiasts. Its 24.2 MP APS-C sensor delivers crisp, detailed images, while the compact design ensures it's always ready to shoot. Plus, with its fast autofocus and responsive performance, you'll never miss a moment. The Ricoh GR3 Diary Edition is a premium digital compact camera designed for photographers who seek a blend of style, performance, and portability. Featuring a metallic warm gray body with a dark brown grip and a natural silver ring, this edition not only stands out aesthetically but also provides a comfortable and secure hold. At its core, the Ricoh GR3 boasts a 24MP APS-C size CMOS sensor, ensuring stunning image quality with exceptional detail and clarity. The 28mm f/2.8 GR lens, equivalent to 35mm format, delivers sharp, vibrant images, making it ideal for street photography, landscapes, and everyday moments. Compact yet powerful, the GR3 Diary Edition is designed for photographers on the move. Its minimalist design and intuitive controls allow for quick, hassle-free shooting. Whether you're documenting your travels or capturing fleeting moments, the Ricoh GR3 Diary Edition offers the perfect balance of form and function, making it an essential companion for creative photography. Coming in at number 4 is the Sony ZV-1. Tailored for vloggers and content creators, this camera packs a punch with its 1.0 type stacked CMOS sensor and a 24 to 70mm lens. The ZV-1 is your go-to for smooth 4K video, real-time IAF, and a built-in directional microphone. It's small, but it's mighty when it comes to video and stills. The Sony ZV-1 digital camera is the ultimate tool for content creators, vloggers, and YouTubers looking to take their videos to the next level. Designed with creators in mind, this compact camera offers a range of features that make filming and sharing content easier than ever. Equipped with a flip screen and a built-in microphone, the ZV-1 ensures you're always in the frame and your audio is crisp and clear. Whether you're shooting in 4K HDR for stunning video quality or using the touchscreen display for quick adjustments, this camera delivers professional-grade results in a user-friendly package. With live video streaming and webcam capabilities, the Sony ZV-1 seamlessly integrates into your workflow, allowing you to connect with your audience in real time. Perfect for on-the-go creators, this camera's portability and powerful features make it a must-have for anyone serious about content creation. Whether you're filming tutorials, travel vlogs, or daily updates, the Sony ZV-1 has everything you need to produce high-quality content effortlessly. At number 3, we have the Panasonic Lumix LX100 II. This camera features a micro Four Thirds sensor, giving you a balance between portability and image quality. With a versatile 24 to 75mm f/1.7-2.8 lens, it's perfect for everything from landscapes to portraits. Plus, it shoots 4K video, making it a solid choice for multimedia creators. The Panasonic Lumix DMC LX100 digital camera is a versatile and powerful compact camera designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Featuring a 12.8MP sensor and a 3.0-inch display, this camera delivers stunning image quality and intuitive control in a sleek, portable package. At the heart of the LX100 is the 24 to 75mm Leica DC Vario Summilux f/1.7-2.8 lens, offering exceptional sharpness and beautiful depth of field across a wide range of shooting scenarios. Whether capturing landscapes, portraits, or close-ups, the fast aperture ensures brilliant performance even in low-light conditions. The 4K Ultra HD video recording capability lets you shoot cinematic quality footage with ease, while the HDMI and USB ports provide seamless connectivity for transferring and sharing your content. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC further enhance your shooting experience, allowing for quick sharing and remote control via your smartphone or tablet. With its sophisticated design and advanced features, the Panasonic Lumix DMC LX100 is the ideal choice for photographers who demand both convenience and high performance in a compact form. This is the international version in black. Taking the runner-up spot is the Sony RX107. This camera is a favorite for a reason. With its 1-inch sensor, 24 to 200 mm zoom lens, and lightning-fast autofocus, it's a compact beast. Perfect for both photography and video, the RX107 is ideal for travelers who want DSLR-like quality in their pocket. The Sony RX107 Premium Compact Camera, DSC, RX100M7, combines powerful performance with portability, making it an ideal choice for photographers and videographers on the go. Equipped with a 1.0 type stacked CMOS sensor and Bion's X image processor, this camera delivers stunning image quality, fast autofocus, and exceptional low-light performance. The 24 to 200 mm Zeiss Vario Sonnar T lens asterisk offers impressive versatility from wide-angle to telephoto shots, ensuring sharp and detailed images across all focal lengths. With 20.1 MP resolution and high-speed, continuous shooting at up to 20 frames per second, you'll never miss a moment. For content creators, the RX107 shines with its 4K HDR video recording, real-time IAF, and real-time tracking for both stills and video, ensuring your subjects are always in sharp focus. The tiltable touchscreen allows for easy framing, making it perfect for vlogging and selfies. Additional features include optical image stabilization for steady shots, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity for seamless sharing, and a pop-up electronic viewfinder for traditional shooting experiences. The Sony RX107 is a premium compact camera that offers professional-level performance in a pocket-sized design. And finally, at number 1, we have the Fujifilm X106. Known for its classic design and stellar performance, this camera is a dream for photography purists. The 26.1 MP APS-C X-Trans sensor delivers stunning image quality, while the hybrid viewfinder and fixed 23mm f/2 lens give you the control and sharpness you crave. It's a timeless tool for capturing life's moments. The Fujifilm X106 digital camera in sleek black is the perfect blend of classic design and modern technology. Known for its compact form factor and exceptional image quality, this camera is a favorite among enthusiasts and professionals alike. Featuring a 24.3 MP APS-C X-Trans CMOS 3 sensor and a fixed 23mm f/2 lens, 35mm equivalent, the X106 delivers stunningly sharp images with rich colors and beautiful depth of field. The advanced hybrid viewfinder allows you to switch between optical and electronic views, giving you the best of both worlds in any shooting situation. For those who love to capture fleeting moments, the high-speed continuous shooting and quick autofocus ensure you never miss a shot. The camera also supports 4K video recording, making it versatile for both stills and videos. This bundle includes a 64GB memory card for ample storage, a card reader for easy transfers, a carrying case to protect your gear, a memory card wallet to keep your cards organized, and a cleaning kit to maintain your camera in top condition. Whether you're exploring the streets or documenting your travels, the Fujifilm X106 bundle equips you with everything you need for a remarkable photography experience. That wraps up our countdown of the top 5 best point and shoot cameras of 2024. Whether you're looking for the perfect travel companion or a camera to elevate your content, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals on these cameras. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let us know in the comments which camera caught your eye. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.